Building your network is an important part of life, and it shouldn't be something you wait until the end of your senior year to build. Establishing your network is more than just sending a LinkedIn invite or about the amount of people in your network. Networking is a two-way street, where both people benefit from each other, learn from one another, and help one another by providing value and knowledge that will benefit each other's careers. For starters, you should have at least 5 people in your network. Remember, it's quality, not quantity you are seeking. The first person is the mentor. This is a person with decades of experience and will provide you with valuable wisdom for both your career and life. The connector. This is the type of person that knows people that can get you connected to a job or internship. Don't use this person for your own benefits. Remember, networking is a two-way street. The realist is a straight shooter and will tell you the truth at all times. Don't get offended by the truth. The professional. This is an individual with at least a decade of experience that was in your shoes not too long ago and can provide you with tips on how to avoid rookie mistakes your first year on the job. The fifth person is whomever you desire. Just make sure they add value to your network. Follow up with your network via email, text, or calling to see how they are doing. Go out for coffee once in a while to continue the network. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Keep a business card handy that states your name, professional email, and good contact number because you never know when one of your networks introduces you to another valuable individual to add to your network.